As a small business guy that runs my entire business with my Apple devices, it's so important for me to have power options, flexible power options out in the field. So I am always looking for the best portable charger. So I got this little guy right here, and we're going to talk about whether or not this is the one. Let's get to it. What up, everybody? It's George Langenberry with Silver Hammer Surveillance, coming to you again from Voltage Studio. Here on the channel, we talk smart home tech, we talk home security, we have videos weekly. Follow me on the socials, specifically Instagram, where I give you a little more insight into the man behind Silver Hammer Surveillance. I give you some inside scoop on some smart home stuff, some home security stuff, and some George stuff. So just follow us on Instagram, please. All right, today we're talking portable power. And I cannot tell you, as a small business guy, how important it is to have portable power, because I run my entire business off my Apple devices, and I am always out in the field and I need juice. And I'm not just talking about my phone, I'm talking about my tablet, my laptop. I need juice for everything. So Baseus, a very reputable company, reached out to me and asked if I wanted to try some of their devices. I said, heck yes. Again, they have a very good reputation. I've heard about them for a long time, and I thought, why not? So they sent me the Baseus Blade HD power bank laptop charger. And again, this works for your laptop, your tablet, and your phone. We're going to unbox it. We're going to talk some specs, and I'm going to give you my thoughts. So let's get to it. All right, now that we've unboxed, let's talk some specs. Again, this is the Baseus Blade HD laptop power bank. It is currently $79.99. Look in the description below for a little price break. You save 38% if you follow that link, so check that out. The Blade HD is a high-density version of the Blade power bank. So again, this is the second model, the HD model. 10% lighter and 17% smaller than the last version, with a slim profile of 0.7 inches. It easily fits into any bag while supporting simultaneous charging for up to 4 devices. So again, that's why it's so important for me, because I can charge all those devices at the same time. Compared to the non-HD model, it's lighter and thinner. 100 watts of power delivery. Status at a glance. It's got a nice little display screen. Emergency charging and two-way fast charging, which is awesome. It has an upgraded battery cell. Advanced silicon carbon battery technology ensures a higher energy density in a more compact size. Small current mode. The Baseus laptop power bank supports small current output mode for earphones, watches, lamps, etc. Safety protections. Baseus portable charger has multiple protection functions, including overcurrent protection, over voltage protection, short circuit protection, etc. Baseus says it has an exquisite texture. I don't know about exquisite, but who am I to judge exquisite? What do I know? I'm just a security guy. Smooth round corners and a non-slip design. I will say it does have a non-slip design, which is nice, because out in the field, I got it in all sorts of crazy places, and it works fine. It doesn't slide around in my vehicle or whatever, so that's cool. It's got 2 USB-A ports and 2 USB-C ports. So that's input and output. And again, the input's just to charge it, the output's to charge your devices. For a laptop like my 14-inch MacBook Pro, they're saying that you can get to 47% in about 30 minutes. Not too shabby. It has that smart digital display. It's got the remaining battery level, the charging power, so your amperage and everything, and charging time. So the display is pretty cool and top notch and looks nice and luxe. Okay, so it's 5.27 inches by 5.27 inches and 0.7 inches thick. It's 445 grams as far as the weight. 100 watts of charging. Recharging time is 1.5 hours to recharge the charger itself. And then the 2 USB-A's and 2 USB-C's, like I said. Okay, those are the specs. Let's talk about my pros and cons. All right, let's talk about some pros. Pros is it's very portable for all your devices. Again, I take this out in the field. But not only that, but I use it here as well. So sometimes I'm editing videos on my iPad with Final Cut Pro or my laptop, and I just don't want to sit where I have a power outlet. So I just have this right next to me, and it keeps both those devices charged at the same time. With all the port options, that's great. Now, here in my apartment, I don't use this very much for my phone because I'm more about the MagSafe accessories for charging my iPhone, especially with the new iOS 17 and that standby mode. I have devices and chargers all over here, so I can use that standby mode. I really like that. But here in the apartment, I use this all the time for my laptop and my tablet. In the field, my phone too, where I can power all three of those devices with just this. That's great. It's pretty light for how big it is. I love the display and that it tells you your battery time and all that stuff. And so portability wise and build quality wise, pro. I love it. And it's just very premium and well made. So as far as cons go, I guess my only con is just that it's pretty big to charge my phone here in my apartment. Not even an issue when I'm out on the field. And then just like any other portable charger, you find that your device gets a little warm, and so does the charger. Now, that's still a little bit of an issue here, but I find any portable charger like this, even Apple's MagSafe charger, they get hot. And this gets less hot than any other one I've ever tried, but that's just a con. And I don't know about you, but that sometimes just freaks me out. But it just seems to be a normal thing with portable chargers. So whatever. But this does get less hot than any other one I've tried, so that's great. So overall, great for the price. The build quality is fantastic. The flexibility of charging everything at the same time, fantastic. Just gets a little warm, but not nearly as bad as any other one I've tried. So yeah, I love this thing. I use it all the time. I used it just yesterday to power all three devices while I was working, and that's great. So let me know, what's your favorite portable charger? I would love to know because I'm always trying new stuff, and especially when it comes to working out in the field. I want to know what's the best out there, and I'd love to do a review on it if you've got one to suggest for me. So please let me know in the comments what you use. And I look forward to chatting with you as always. So smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. Love having you here. Return subscribers, I think you're the best. New people, welcome to the party. Keep coming back for more. And until our next video, peace and love.